Welcome back, guys. This is KOK Party Favors. Today we're going to be making a mermaid themed cake topper shaker. So I've cut my layers and I have assembled several pieces already. The 3 layers to the name, 3 to the mermaid tail. I'm going to adhere these 2 together. This is going to be the back part of the shaker. So you will see this from the vinyl plastic that'll be in the front, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and adhere the back of this cardstock to my metallic circle to give it just a little bit more reinforcement. Okay, that's good there. Then the next step I'm going to do is, for this I adhered a clear piece of vinyl, the blue circle and the gold circle. So I already glued that together. That's going to be the front of the shaker. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is mix up my sequins. So I have some birthday sequins that's going to be in the shaker. It has birthday cakes, party hats, and stars. And then I'm going to put some of these pink beads and some gold beads. So I have those mixed together in this little jar. And I'm going to place them in the center of my shaker. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this front piece, I'm going to slowly glue it all the way around so that we can seal in the sequins and they won't fall out. So I'm going to seal a little bit at a time because the glue dries so quickly. And then I'll just slowly go around, turning as I go. Foam gives you space in between your shaker and the vinyl front so that you can, your sequins will move around more freely. That's something that I don't have on this one, that I will have on the next one. I ordered the foam 9 by 12 strips and the 9 by 12 paper. So I've ordered both of those to make sure that I have what I need. The next part of the topper will be the mermaid tail. I'm going to adhere that. And I'm trying to decide where I think I want it to go. I think I'll put it over here on this side. So I'll just put a little glue here. And I'll adhere it like that. Okay, so far this is what we have for our little cake topper shaker. And for the name, I'm going to have the name here at the bottom. I'll put the name at the bottom. Okay. Oh, they're moving around. They're moving around. Okay, let's get our name on here. Okay, so this is what we have so far, guys. I have some blue bubbles and some gold glitter bubbles. Got all kinds of bubbles up here. All the bubbles going up the side here. This is going to be the back part. So this is our design, guys. And this is going to be the back. I'll put a little glue back here. Put a little bit on both sides. Make sure we got a good seal. We'll let that sit for a minute. Okay, guys, this is the beautiful cake topper shaker. All right. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please comment, share, like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.